Today we have a Klein product cartridge that you need. So this is the regular blade here. Let's see how this works to snap in here. Let's see here. All right, so let's see if I push that out. That looks pretty cool. Now to switch the cartridge, push that button down, swap it over, and then there's your hook blade there. That's pretty cool. So that's from Klein Tools. Very cool product. You have your hook blade on one side and your regular blades on the other, and then you can just flip the cartridge and it changes to the other blade. That is really cool. Really solid.